The Neanderthals lived mainly in caves. At that time, the climate in Europe was extremely cold. The Neanderthals could protect themselves from the freezing temperatures because they wore leather clothing and made use of fire. Perhaps that was not enough. That is why they used animal hides to erect tents inside the caves for warmth. Whatever necessary, they also built huts in the open. Seasonal camps. In the Middle Stone Age, groups of Homo sapiens had established camps all over the world. At that time, the climate was getting warmer. Everywhere the environment was changing, and with it, the diet of Homo sapiens was also undergoing change. By the time of the Middle Stone Age, big animals like mammoths were on the way to extinction due to the changing environment, and also because they were hunted on a very large scale. That is why Homo sapiens had largely turned to fishing. He also began to depend more on hunting smaller animals like the wild boar, deer, mountain, goat, and sheep. The changed diet pattern enabled the groups of Homo sapiens to roam to faraway regions. They moved their camps to different places according to seasonal changes. There they harvested seasonal wild grains and gathered seasonal fruits and roots. They would find out the best seasons for fishing and use the knowledge to their advantage. By observation, they discovered the best hunting grounds. For these reasons, they stayed in one place for longer periods. They cleared jungles by felling trees and set up their seasonal camps in the clearings. Village settlements. The way of life of humans in the New Stone Age was completely different from that of the humans in the Old Stone Age and Middle Stone Age. During this period, humans became producers of food grains. The beginning of cultivation is the characteristic of the culture of the New Stone Age. In the hunting and gathering way of life, it is necessary to keep moving all the time. However, agriculture makes it possible to store food and to use it over a longer period. Hence, there is no need to keep moving constantly. Moreover, the nature of agricultural work made it necessary to stay in one place. Therefore, people established permanent village settlements and lived in them generation after generation.